Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today, I'm so excited to introduce to you this mainnet that we have been waiting for. Okay, DOP Mainnet. Okay, like you can see what I said here. Happy DOP Mainnet launch day, everyone. Okay, this was yesterday. I got this, so I decided to make video for those that don't know how to, do the task they will be asked to do in their wallet. Okay, because this is their wallet have gone right now. Okay, so people asking what is mainnet. Okay, mainnet is the term used to describe when a blockchain protocol is fully developed and deployed. Okay, and this is simple mean that cryptocurrency transactions are being broadcasted, verified and recorded and distributed ledger technology blockchain. Okay, so guys, what you need to do if you want to participate on this mainnet is very simple. One, you need to create your DOP wallet. That's as simple as ABCD. Create your DOP wallet. So how do you do that? By coming to this place, you can see where I'm touching. Okay, this is going to be in the description. It's going to be in the description. So what you need to do is to click on the first one. Okay, so this is today you are finally turning from follower into user. This means that for the first time you can achieve data ownership on the Ethereum blockchain and transact with confidentiality. Okay, so let's click on this first link. Okay, it's going to get us, and please, scammers is all over the internet. Make sure that you use the link the way I ask you to do. So you can see DOP web wallet. This is web wallet. DOP lets you control your personal and financial data on the blockchain, encrypt or decrypt your assets, and transact with confidence and regulatory compliance. Okay, so what we need to do right now, you can see the options they give here. Okay, you can use your Chrome to do this you can use anything. This one is not something that will ask you to use all this tough browser. Okay, you can use your Chrome to do this. So the two option is that if you have register your wallet during the testnet, you can import your secret phrase. Okay, you can import your secret phrase. Please, this video I think is going to get like part 2 also, so that I will take it in such a way that everybody will understand it. Okay, so this is what you should do. Create a new wallet, a new DOP wallet, and a secret phrase, a secret recovering phrase will be created for you. Okay, so once you click on I agreed DOP terms and condition, okay, you are going to click on this particular one. But if you have joined before, okay, if you have the existing wallet, what you need to do is to import your existing DOP wallet, like we have been doing this for before. How you can import your trust wallet, existing wallet, and all that, you know how to do that. Is still the same the way I'm going to do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to come to this place. Once you click on agree and create, let me show you example. You are going to set a wallet password, and you're going to confirm the password and submit it. Then you are going to continue the process. Okay, like I said, that this is the same way you did your trust wallet, okay, and other wallet. Okay, so I'm going back. Let me import the one I created during the testnet. So how do I do that? I click on this, I understand. Okay, then I click on import wallet. So here I'm going to import wallet by coming to this place. I click on this. I'm going to click on this secret recovering. I click on that. So let's go. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to enter my secret phrase. Give me a moment. So guys, after doing the process, okay, by importing it, if you have, but if you don't have, just go straight by creating new one. So let's click on this submit. You click on submit, is going to log me in right now. It's going to log me in. You can see that I am in right now. So I'm going to tell you what you should do, before you can get yourself in. So after registration, you are going to see something like connect your wallet. Okay, you are going to see something like connect your wallet. You need to connect your wallet. Though before you can join this, you need to connect your wallet. That's the first thing. Encrypt, send, and decrypt. So guys, this is how it look like. Okay, this is how your is going to look like. So what I'm going to share with you right now is very simple and straight. Okay, so we are going to, like I said, that we're going to have like part 1 and part 2 of this video. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will understand what you are doing. The first phase of this is to do the social medias, okay, and get some point. Okay, you are going to be getting point, and that point is going to convert to DOP at the end of this mainnet. So make sure that you do as I'm asking you right now to do. Subscribe, like this video, and comment, okay, because it's going to encourage me to do more. Okay, so let's continue with what we are doing. I'm going to click on this three line right now. Okay, so account, history, and badges. Okay, so this is how you can enter your maybe trust wallet, or you need to connect one wallet. Okay, you need to connect wallet. So I'm going to, you are going to connect it right here. Okay, this is account. Your account is what you are seeing right this though. So history is, you can see history is empty because I haven't encrypted anything yet. Okay, I haven't encrypted. I'm going to show you everything the way it is and how you can do that. So I'm going back. So here what you are going to do right here is very simple and straight. Okay, it's very simple and straight. I click on this my badge. So here is my badge, and I'm going to do all these social badges. Okay, social badges. So let's start and do all those social badges. Let's start and do that right now. So I click on Telegram. You can see the first one is Telegram. I click on Telegram. So I'm going to bind my Telegram. Okay, so I click on my number, my phone number. So I'm going to my Telegram to review this. I'm going to click on confirm here. Okay, so I'm going back. I'm going to click on accept. So you can see, in order to get the badge, follow DOP on Telegram. I'm going to follow them on Telegram. I click on follow. I'm going to click on join. You can see it right now. I'm going back. I'm going to verify again. So I have done the first one. Okay, this is follow DOP on X. That's it. So I'm going to click on this follow on X right now. Follow it the way I'm sharing with you. Make sure that your network is stable. Okay, so I'm going to enter my password and my email. Let me log in. So you can see that I have already verified on X. You can see it here. So the next thing is to join their Discord. Okay, I'm going to join their Discord right now. I click on join. So you can see I'm going to authorize it by clicking authorize. So I'm going to click on go to batch. So you can see that I have done the three things. So I'm going to complete the ZK-KYC. So verify your identity, and I click on continue here. So you can see we value privacy and have no intention to process or store any of your personal identifiable information. Okay, so end-to-end zero knowledge, anonymize selected disclosure. So I'm going to click on this place. You can see agreed. Okay, so once you click on this, it simply means that you have agreed to all this. So I'm going to start the verification. Why is an email needed? You can see that I'm going to enter my email here. So I'm going to enter the email code sent to my email. Okay, the code sent to my email, I'm going to enter it and look for the email. That's 28. So after entering the email, I'm going to allow it to load. Let it verify. Please make sure you keep smashing that subscription button. Keep smashing that subscription button. Okay, scan your ID by mobile phone number, scan your face, get your POC and SBT. Okay, note, we will not save your skin. Let me start. Okay, this is my country. I'm going to enter Nigeria. So I'm going to make use of my passport. All right, okay, or let me make use of my identification. Okay, that's a ID card. I'm coming. So guys, you can see that I have done everything. Okay, I have done everything that I needed to do. So I'm going to click on this confirm here. Please, I'm going to cover some certain things here. So I'm going to click on this I accept. Okay, and I click on continue. Please make sure that you follow me step by step. Okay, so I'm going to scan my face. So it's verifying right now. It's verifying my face. So it's going to merge it with my ID card to know whether I'm lying. Okay, so this simply means that you can't lie to those guys. So you can see picture pick from a list of credentials, complete processing, generating zero knowledge proof, processing. Okay, so I'm going to wait. So this is the process you need to go through. Okay, to make money in this life, you need to do some certain things that will enable you to be at the top. Guys, because of time, I'm going to leave this, let it process. Okay, but I know that it's going to be completed soon. Because of this video, you can see that it's still processing, it's still minting for me. Okay, you can see minting. So I need to allow it to process everything it needed to process. Okay, let's continue from the second one. Okay, let's start or continue with second one, then we are going to come back later to check whether it have done with the process. Okay, so the other one is to start verification. Okay, complete email verification. I'm going to click on this complete email verification. I'm going to enter my email right here. So I'm going to submit it. So you can see enter this your 6 digits. Okay, let me check my email. Okay, it just entered. So I'm going to enter the email. Let me verify it. You can see congratulations, you have successful get badge. Okay, go to badge. So you can see that I have done the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth is still processing, then the fifth. Okay, the fifth is also completed. Then we are going to come to encrypt badges. This is step by step. Okay, I'm going to tell you what you need to know about this one in the next video. Okay, I'm going to tell you what you need to do on these other ones. Okay, we have done the main stuff here. This is doing all those stuff we are doing here. So we are still waiting for this one to complete it before we can have access to the second one. Okay, so I'm still waiting. That should be in the next video so that you will understand the process, and once you complete the process, you are going to make a lot of money. All right, so you can join our Telegram, you can join our WhatsApp group. Okay, you can also follow me on TikTok. I'm going to drop all the link, the necessary link in the description, so that you can join and do what we are doing. Okay, because once you do what you are doing, the stuff is that you are going to make a lot of money doing what you are doing. Okay, and believe me, this bull run, this 2024 2025, you are going to make a crazy amount of money. Okay, you can see that anytime you come back to the verification, you are going to see it like it is right now. Okay, maybe network is disturbing, or the maintain the process is going to take maybe hours or minutes. Okay, so I'm going to wait it offline. Okay, and I'm still going to share the result with you guys. Okay, so we are going to start or doing the second phase. Okay, which is encrypt. Okay, we are going to do all those stuff. So guys, I think we are going to call it a day right now. Okay, you can see that because I have done all the points. Okay, because I have done all those stuff, you can see it's 1.60k. Okay, because I have done all those stuff. Okay, so here is where you are going to get your referral link if you want to refer your friends. Okay, which is very important to refer your friends. Okay, so that you can gain from the point they are getting also. Okay, so this is the result when you completed yours. Okay, this is the result. You can see the total point is 1.60k. Okay, that's 60,000. So you are going to convert this to DOP and give me the percentage. Okay, so we are done with the social. Okay, we are done with the social, which we are going to check again to check whether the process have completed. So that's for the batch. So encrypted is the next, and I'm going to tell you how you are going to do all those stuff here. Okay, I'm going to share with you how you can do all those stuff. So guys, see you guys at the top. Keep living, keep believing, keep making money, and also keep smashing that subscription button, sharing the video to others so that they will understand, or they will learn also to understand. And thirdly, please make sure that you follow us. Very important, follow us, please follow us, I'm begging. Okay, so that anytime I draw a video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch, and being the first person simply means that you are going to make money with it. Okay, so guys, see you guys at the top.